Hi, I'm Rebecca from St. Charles, Missouri, and I had Refractive Lens Exchange in St. Louis, Missouri at Brinton Vision. My vision growing up was excellent until I reached the age of 18. And I worked and noticed driving home one night that it had gotten blurry. So from there on, I was farsighted and had glasses. Sometimes I tried contacts too, but as I've aged, it's gotten a little worse. So I'm a massage therapist, so that was another thing too. As you work, sometimes you would start sweating. So, the glasses would come down, so trying to keep those up, and you still wanted to look professional. Well, Brinton actually was recommended to me as time was going on, and I would talk to my clients about my vision. They would tell me about going to Brinton and how well they had done. And it was like, okay, how many times do you have to be told about this place before you actually reach out and do something about it? So when I walked into Brinton, I'm like, oh, I just walked into a Las Vegas spa. Best customer service experience I've ever had. People were genuine. You knew that they genuinely cared. And running a business myself, my thing was these people were handpicked because they're the best. My right eye was really, really, really bad. I was actually legally blind. And when he put that lens in my right eye and I could see, I was like, my exact words were, oh my God, I can see. Is it okay if I cry? And they were like, of course it's okay if you cry. So it was a blessing. It was a blessing. It really was. Looking at the blueness of the sky, and the grass is still green and the leaves are falling and they're beautiful. You can't put a price tag on this. Of course it's an investment. The quality of your life goes up immensely. They were kind. They told me everything they were doing and why they were doing it. Dr. Brinton was right by my ear talking to me and reassuring me, you're doing really great. This is going really well. This is perfect. Those type of words while all this is going on. It was just, and he meant it. He wasn't just saying that. He meant what he was saying. And the day of surgery, that evening, Dr. Brinton himself actually called me. I opened my eyes and I looked out. I could see. And it was like, this is a miracle. This is a miracle. I can see. Every single day. That I wake up and I open my eyes and I can see everything that's in front of me. Every single thing that's in front of me. It's such a blessing. And every day there's something new. My family was making fun of me yesterday, and I saw a little bird sitting there, and the little bird shook, and I could see the dust coming off of this little bird. And I was like, oh my God, you guys. And they're like, oh Lord, she's like a little kid now. But that's how I feel. It's like, I can't wait. What am I going to see today? And I feel like I'm going to have a relationship with Brinton for the rest of my life. I would not go anywhere else, ever. You guys took pictures of my eyes like a CAT scan, 8 different machines. And when the doc came in to look at everything, and she pulled it up on the computer and I could see what she was looking at, I was like, my God. There's a picture of my eye, but in a way that you guys had the perfect picture of my eye to do what you needed to do, and that made me feel like, hey, this is not, they're gonna fix this. They're definitely gonna fix this. It was amazing. Now at a distance is 2010. My vision has never been 2010. Brinton Vision ocular analysis was the best examination I've ever had.